My name is Adam Thomas. I am a professor with the School of Media Studies and Information Technology. I teach in two separate programs. One is a multimedia program. The other one is a web design and interactive media. Our student population is kind of broken into 50% designers, 50% coders. So in our coding courses, we have a hard time getting designers engaged. So the idea was, how can we get designers more into code and keep their engagement? So typically when we teach code, the students type their code on a screen, test on a screen, fix the issues on a screen. So we incorporated robots. This is essentially a Raspberry Pi and a brick of Lego. So the students can write their code on their screen, but then watch their code in action with a robot. So when something makes a mistake, it's obvious. It falls off the table, it crashes, and then you can fix that. With our research, we ran two classes of essentially the same content. One incorporated the robotics and the tangible learning, and one did not. And we found that the engagement with the robotics course was increased. As well, we found that the robotics course, which were actually non-coders, designers, kept more in pace with our coders in the other program. Yeah, the class with the robotics was very enjoyable. Like, students were just really engaged, really having fun. And there was always this moment when they're coding on their computer, and the first time that robot moves, there's like this little moment of panic, and the students are like, "Ah, it's moving!" And it was fun. So with this round of research, we incorporated the robots into our classes, but in the future, we'd like to incorporate really as much tangible learning as possible. So along with robotics, things like IoT devices. So this is a light bulb that you can program with JavaScript. So just getting students off the screen with more tangible, physical, real-world problems. I would say if you're interested in doing some research with the CTL and the Innovation Fund, it's a very smooth, simple process. And the people at the CTL are just, I mentioned this to someone else, they're actually just fun to be around. So just jump in and try it. It's a very smooth process.